Emeka, you get mind by our number one man. You can't still get mind. Carry the gold wey in get put for your kappa. That one no reach you. Emeka, that one no reach you. You get mind. Can't still sleep with my younger sister. You can't still give am belle. God. You still get mind. Deny the pregnancy. Emeka, that one no reach you. You buy my younger sister. You buy my only blood. For this, Emeka, for this, no family lineage of yours go survive. You have beaten the lion's tail. Emeka, you have beaten the lion's tail. I go chop you raw. I go chop you. You don't know, say now me be the only warrior when they raise this town. Now only me they raise kings. Now only me they bring down kings. Emeka, no living thing, not even living animal from your generation go survive. Emeka, I go chop you raw. Emeka, I go chop you raw. You no go survive am. Ah!